At the Kelper Cascades. It's very pretty. What is it? Oh, wonder if that's Old Faithful.
Could be.
Okay, let's zoom out and get the... Oh!
Mom, look.
Holy moly, we're pretty high up, Tug.
No, look.
I know. That's pretty cool. Hold on a minute.
Look, it's
Oh.
wood carving.
Yeah. That's bad though, isn't it? You shouldn't do that. Carve on
Wood?
well, you can carve wood, but not wood that's in a national park.
Oh!
What? What am I looking at?
Look at that big bird.
I don't see it.
Look, look. Oh, yeah. It's in that.
It's in that crack in the rock.
No, right. Oh, my God.